This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Main Event 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me right now is Christian Kolster from Kuuhubb. It's a publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you. KUU on the TSX Venture and BCDMF in the US. Christian, welcome back to SNN.Live.
Thank you. Good to be back.
It's great to have you back. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, we're a publicly listed company in Toronto Venture Exchange, as you mentioned. We're focusing on the female audience in the games and app space.
So we last had the company on in April 2019, April of this year. So let's get an update. What are some of the highlights since we last spoke on here?
I think the main highlight is that we won basically a proxy fight. We had a little bit of an issue before with our previous owners, and we have since then launched a few new products and coming out with some new, really interesting new products from here on.
So, to remind our audience, what would you say makes the company unique and different compared to some of your peers out there?
It's really, I would say that we have a really focus on the female audience, and that's a difference to many others. I mean, there's a big shortage of games and apps doing that.
So I have to ask, for those who may not know, what does that mean that you're focusing on the female audience? Is it the type of games or characters that are featured? What exactly does that mean?
The games that appeal, in our opinion, to the female audience. So basically, there's about 63% of the mobile game audience are female, but only about 30% of the supply of games and apps are appealing to the female audience, and I think that's what we want to.
So what type of games?
It's coloring. The one we have live at the moment is it's called Recolor. It's a female. We have male as well there, but it's a digital coloring book, if you like.
And is this for kids, or what's the age range that you're looking to target?
Quite wide range, but it's 18 to 44-year-old is our main group.
And what's your background? I mean, how'd you come into all this?
I have a venture capital and investment background. So my partner Jouni Keränen, who is the CEO, he has the gaming background of it.
And Christian, from what you can tell us, what are some of the company's value catalysts now moving into 2020?
We're actually coming out with several new products in the next 12 months and addressing markets which is about 100 million with our current products, and we're going forward addressing with billion-dollar markets. So the new products is really important to us as a value calculation.
And one last follow-up to that is, what would you say is the company's business model? Is it like a freemium, you get to download for free and then buy stuff in-app, or how does it work?
No, we have a subscription model. We also have some ad revenues in there and partnerships with brands. We have some major brands that we work together with.
Okay. Can you name a few or
Sure. Sure. Mattel, for instance, and which has Barbie. It's very appealing to a broad range of women. We have, for instance, Lionsgate did a lot of TV series that appeal to the female audience, so we work together with them. We had some work together with Kellogg, with Tony the Tiger and things like that. So many different types of major world brands.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Kuuhubb?
On our webpage, so it's Kuuhubb.com. We have a lot of information there.
And that's KUUHUBB.com. My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the LD Micro Main Event 2019 in Bel Air, California. With me again has been Christian Kolster from Kuuhubb, publicly traded company. I got two symbols for you, KUU on the TSX Venture and BCDMF in the US. Christian, always a pleasure. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.